Hey guys, Pete, Kim, Ben, Tommy here, and Spunky, our guest of honor. We're gonna do a little cleaning of her butt. She's got a little packed on poop, and it's time to get it washed off. So we got a couple bins here, one for washing and one for cleaning. So stay tuned, this will be a messy job.
Okay, so we are now filling up our buckets for our chickens to wash in.
God, it does smell.
Okay, we're rolling.
Good.
Like a affection?
No, I was almost wondering, like, maybe she doesn't like
Why, you almost got it?
Good girl, Spunky. It's good.
So you want to be really, really gentle. It could be really tender and a little painful to, you don't want to be pulling feathers out and stuff. That hurts. So just really gently kind of massage the big clumps of poo off. It takes a little time, but it's better to take your time than be rough with it. We got the worst of it off, and now we're just kind of letting her rinse off in some cleaner water because that was really gross. You want to check their vent when you're doing this. Just make sure the vent's clear and not blocked with poo, because that's really dangerous. Hers was totally fine, which is why we weren't super concerned. So it's a lot better.
Well,
Hopefully the rest will work.
So fortunately it's a warm day, and we're gonna let her kind of air dry. We might towel her down in just a few, but for the most part she's a lot cleaner.
Well, we hope you find that video useful and interesting. It's not every day you get to see a chicken have a bath. Anyway, we'd love it if you leave a comment and click subscribe if you're interested in learning more about chickens.